how to fix Android Auto not working problem. To solve this issue, go to your settings first. Under settings, click on connected devices and you'll find the Android Auto option. Now click on Android Auto. Now under the startup option, you'll find start Android Auto automatically. Click here and you can set it in always or by default. Now make sure to turn on start Android Auto while locked option and start music automatically. It's completely optional. You can turn it on or off. After that, you go back to your main phone settings. Now navigate to apps and look for Android Auto. Now under permissions, make sure all permissions are enabled and nothing is marked as not allowed. You can click on every icon and cross-check it. Allow. Yeah, you have to check all the options and make sure that everything is allowed. Then you go back to the app info page and open the storage. Here you are going to clear both the data and the cache. Finally, click on the first stop option and tap OK and click on the restart option, and this should fix any issues. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.